Then let's turn our attention to D3 chatter. Nimesh joins us to tell us what is he picking up. Nimesh, what are you picking up?
Nigerian, as expected, it was supposed to be a volatile day of trade.
Yeah.
It is turning out to be a volatile day of trade. But within that, I guess there is selling pressure today. Maybe it's the expiry factor, but apart from that, there is an MOC sell basket at leading FIDs. So maybe that'll play out in some stocks today. The sector clearly belongs to metals names today. A lot of steel stocks are buzzing in trade. There is a bit of buying as well in the metal stocks, especially the steel names, and the index is up 1%. But I guess for the November series, the fag end of the earnings season and the Indo-US deal, these are the two big events to watch out as far as the big triggers to watch in the November series. So that's going to play out. But I guess today the volatility is largely on back of the expiry.
Okay, all right. What about individual stock, Nimesh? What are you picking up?
Well, so the first stock on my list is Glenmark Pharma. That's been under pressure of late. In fact, from the recent high of almost 2,100, now it's back to 1,800. But now I understand there's going to be a large block deal in Glenmark Pharma very soon. A leading FIB holder is the potential seller, and it's likely to be a clean-out trade. But that's a large block expected in Glenmark very soon. So that's the first name. The second stock is Indus Tower. As we speak, the con call is on. The management has clarified on some of the stuff. But in general, I believe some larger HNIs have turned active buyers in Indus Tower, especially after the big clarity on the AGR from the Supreme Court. So that's buzzing in trade. A couple of stocks where there is MOC selling, Inox Wind as well as NTPC. Both stands out. The stock's not reacting on the negative side, but I understand there is MOC sell flows in both those names today. The last is Bank of India. Within the PSU bank names, Bank of India stands out today in terms of very aggressive buying. So I'll be watching out for the delivery stats very closely. Looks like there will be delivery-based buying in Bank of India today.
Nimesh, with Glenmark, if you remember, there was that, I think it was the out-licensing deal, right?
Yeah.
And the stock had gone up 19-20%. Price is basically, I think, around back where it was before that deal, right?
Yeah.
And
so
now there is
this. It's almost corrected 10-11% from the recent peak of 2,100. So back to where it was. Again, one large FI seems to be selling out completely, so there's going to be a large block. And also there is a bit of a concern of a potential write-off in Glenmark Pharma. So that's a key concern on back of which the stock is underperformed as well in the last many weeks.
High was, that's the thing, 2284. So almost the high was 2300 in July. So that was the big high which was made after that deal was announced. And now, of course, it's back at about 1800 or so. That's a one to watch out for. So block